Hey techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop inside ChatGPT. Side note, you will need to have Photoshop already installed on your computer. Okay, let's begin. So in this video, I will give you two examples. The first example is to isolate the background. First, let's launch ChatGPT. Now let's click on the plus sign to add a photo. At the prompt, type Photoshop, isolate the background. Now click on the arrow pointing up. If you are doing this for the first time, it will ask you to let ChatGPT connect to Photoshop. Just accept by clicking continue. A second prompt will appear. Just click connect. It will analyze the photo and communicate with Photoshop. Here you will confirm that you want to remove the image background. Just accept. As you can see, it removed the background. Now you have a transparent background. ChatGPT gives you an explanation and makes further suggestions. If you are satisfied with the result, you are able to download it. The second example is to fix the exposure. Go back to ChatGPT and type Photoshop fix the exposure. Afterwards, click on the arrow pointing up. It will analyze the photo and communicate with Photoshop. ChatGPT shows you the result and makes suggestions. For this instant, you are able to adjust the exposure yourself. Click on the slider button located on the upper right-hand corner of the image. Here you can adjust the various levels, make your edits. If you are satisfied with your edits, you can download the image. Photoshop and ChatGPT work well together. You didn't even have to launch Photoshop separately. Cool, right? Yes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.